Hello and welcome. VMware by Broadcom. News for the service providers. On the 30th of April, Amar posted a new blog around changes in the service provider program again. And what is going to change now? So the changes are actually not really that big in most areas, and I will make several videos. One of the changes is if you are a registered partner, you can apply again to become a Premier level partner. So it seems like VMware did not get enough Premier level partners in the first round. Sasha spoke at the VMware conference in Frankfurt with Hock and actually talked to him clearly about the rumor that the limit of 3,500 cores would be reduced. Hock said very, very clearly to Sasha, there is no change in that going to come. It's going to stick with 3,500 cores, and we haven't seen any documents saying anything else. So don't fall for the rumor. We have seen so many rumors in the last 6 months. Stay with us for just the facts and the truth around this. Again, if you are not willing to go with 3,500 cores, we from ComDivision are still here to help you actually become a white label partner and of ours and actually be part of the ComDivision white label hosting program. If you have any questions, if you have any other information regarding these, please feel free to put them in the comments, but only if it's fact and not just if it's a rumor.